Shreya ji, the fact is that what we saw today is a clear indication of what Mr. Eknath Shinde ji is seeing ahead of him. And that is the complete decimation of his party. And I congratulate him for that. And I congratulate the Bharatiya Janata Party for being successful in their endeavor to finish off this particular faction of the regional party. Because when you break a party, well, whether you win, lose, you take the brickbats and you take the bouquets. So I can understand what Mr. Shinde must be going through. As far as we are concerned, we have nothing to do with whatever Mr. BJP spokesperson has been saying. आज थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई ना मिस्टर दारूवाला कि आप कह रहे हैं कि सब कुछ चंगा सी और कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रवक्ता नहीं आ रहे. अरे you haven't seen them. The Congress party spokespersons are all over the place, and we've been making fun of you because you've taken 2 weeks for this oath ceremony, and we've seen that you've managed to have this massive function with so many dignitaries from across the country, and just 3 people taking oath. But as far as the BJP spokesperson is concerned, it's very important to understand what he said. He said, by tomorrow, everything will be sorted out. That means that there are huge problems in the Mahayuti today. So let's make no mistake that when you begin by destroying something, it will come back, and this is a circle which is going to come around, and they will face what they did. That's it. That's very, very simple, Shreya ji.
Okay.
Because if things are not sorted out even after 2 weeks, it clearly shows that the people of Maharashtra really need to worry now.